Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Nikki's Garage. Yeah, we've been on the Bearcat. I've been stripping bits off while I've lost my voice earlier. So yeah, as you can see, we're now up, and you can see a blatant thing. Whoever did it couldn't be bothered to actually take all the bits off. So yeah, we're down to there, and as usual you find loads of little issues. So hey, what is it? When you got a project, you'll always find something what's got an issue, and that is the way it goes. See the back off? Yeah, even the battery thing's out. I've actually found a new one. Well, not a new one, but second hand. Refurbed it. And it's at the moment it's in the pile of doom. So yeah, we're doing the forks at the moment. So yeah, it's pretty fun. And as we can see over there, yes, that is where all the bits are. So yeah, so everything's buried under there. And as you can see down here, one front wheel off and the back one. So we're now moving along, and yeah, so we'll do a little bit more in a bit, but yeah, this is how far we've got so far. And yeah, we've got the carburetor out, definitely manky in there. And I don't think it's been had any love for a long time. So hey, let's get on and get it pulled apart so we can start rebuilding it. As you can see, we have now pulled the frame off. Yeah, so yeah, that's the easy bit done. And as you can see there, some little wiring issues, and they're so lovely to see. Where they painted it, they forgot to just strip it down. So yeah, as you can see around here, yeah, that is one of the bottom engine bolts. I think it's been a long time since that's been gone out. Yeah, and just to top it off as well, that is where they didn't paint it. Unreal. So yeah, so now I'm going to be cleaning and getting the engine to look nice again, and then finish the frame, clean it, and then put it into paint. So yeah, on goes the hard stuff next. Great fun. So from here for the moment, and I think that is it for me. Right, catch you all soon when I shall actually have the camcorder out properly and do a lot more. Okay, ciao for now. A bit more, bit of cleanage on the engine, so we're going to be polishing these up later, and sort of the other side as well. and it's going to get a good oil change so we can move on to the next bits. But yeah, I thought I'll give you a quick bit of, see, even the engine's looking a bit nicer. So hopefully that's it for the night. So I've been here most of the day, and now time for rest and wash up and sort this out. But all in all, we're now getting the engine starting to look a bit pretty. So just doing that to take my mind off attacking the frame again to finish off the other bits. So that's me. This is definitely me done. So ride safe everybody out there, and crack in.